Odoo's got, I don't know how many server repositories in Canada, but I can look that up. But there's at least 4, and then they're geolocated, so you work off of the closest one to you.
Mhm.
If that one starts to get too much capacity, you're automatically moved over to the next lowest server farm. But they're all there because you would be signing up under a Canadian Odoo instance. So everything that you would do would be done through the Canadian one, just like everything we do is through the US one, and we're never bumped over to international. When they did have one server issue in Belgium, it didn't affect anybody else in the whole world except for a few countries right around Belgium. So.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of what I had expected. It's good to know that is also how you guys handle it.
Yeah, and then any customized coding or anything like that is done through your GitHub repository, because the Odoo instance that we use is the .sh. We don't recommend you doing it just straight through the online, because you don't have as much customization capability. But also we recommend not hosting it yourself, because very few people are Linux experts and want to have all that time and responsibility to do it.
Yeah.
If you're ever up around 1,000 users or more, then you start to talk about self-hosting just for speed, and that's the basic need there.
Gotcha. Yeah. That won't be an issue for us. We're definitely gonna be way below 1,000. So